6 tests were conducted
lock.
a series lock. Number 1, anti-cut shackle. We tried our best to cut the lock with hydraulic cutters and bolt head cutters, but the shackle could not be cut. Number 2, anti-hammering. We used a 3-pound hammer with continuous hammering of the lock body and the lock shackle without any breakage. Number 3, anti-sawing. We used a high-speed steel blade hacksaw. The lock shackle was still completely intact. Number 4, the lock cylinder is also resistant to picking, even with an Allen key. Number 5, anti-drilling. We used a high-speed electric drill to drill into the lock hole and were still unable to open the padlock. Number 6, anti-acid. We poured sulfuric acid liquid directly into the shackle lock. The stainless steel ball in the lock can even withstand strong acid.